Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Deep breathing and relaxation. Let go of any tension in your body. Take another deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and gently exhale. With every breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Feel the weight of your body resting peacefully. Now, bring your attention to your feet. Relax your toes, your ankles. Let go of any tightness in your legs. Moving up, relax your stomach. Feel your chest rise and fall with each breath. Let your shoulders drop. Release any tension in your arms and hands. Soften your jaw. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Your entire body is now calm. Visualization. Peaceful place. Imagine yourself in a serene place, a quiet beach under the night sky. The waves are gently touching the shore. A cool breeze is brushing against your skin. The stars above are shining softly, bringing you peace. As you breathe in, imagine the fresh ocean air filling your lungs. And as you breathe out, let go of any stress, any worries. Positive affirmations. You are safe. You are at peace. Everything is okay. Your body and mind deserve this deep rest. With every breath, you are falling into a state of deep sleep. You are loved. You are calm. You are completely relaxed, drifting into sleep. Now, let yourself drift deeper and deeper. With every breath, you are floating into a space of pure tranquility. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. Just relax and allow yourself to sleep peacefully. Good night. Sweet dreams.